A million tries later. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Just keep going.
Oh, guys, I'm almost there. I'm here. I made it. Yeah.
Finally, but don't ever do that again. He does the bird scream.
And that's why you never let the bird
Fly to the roof. Yeah, and also that was kind of part 2, so don't think of it of being short. Now bye.